Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I'll show you how you can change volume level on this device. We got two methods, with using remote control and also with this physical button under Mi logo in this place. So at the first I'm going to show you on the remote control, so let's play the song. And to change the volume level you have to press these buttons. Let's increase. And now decrease. So as you can see, you have to simply click on these two buttons. The next option to make it, below the Mi logo you can find physical key. You have to click and hold it for a few seconds. And when you got this menu, when you click once on that button, you are going to move between these settings. So let's go to volume up. And then if you want to volume up, you have to press and hold it. And then if you want to volume down, press on it once and then click and hold it. And then release. After that, to turn it off, you can simply click on your remote control. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.